Hey there guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to extend your maximum altitude and maximum distance with the DJI Mavic Mini drone. So what I'm going to do here is go to my max distance, which for me is about 60 feet or just above that. And now I'm going to go to my max altitude. And once I do this, I'll hit the three little dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, aka your options or settings menu. And now I'll increase my max altitude and max distance. For me, I'll max it out as far as it'll go. And for max altitude, this little thing will come up on the screen and you'll hit agree if you're going above 400 feet in altitude, basically saying it's above FAA regulations and it's not their DJI's fault if you get in trouble with a drone going above 400 feet. And now, as you can see, I'm able to go above 61 feet, which was previously restricted, and now that I'm above 200 feet, I'm extending my distance. And as you can see, the drone is not restricting me from traveling further than what I previously could with the minimal settings. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Now I'm going to leave you with some clips that I shot on Lake Carroll today. Hope you enjoy.